Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, keep up. Today, I come to you with a video about Yağmur and Barış. All the details are in my video. If you like my video, I would be really happy if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can support me further with clicking the join button down below. Thank you and let's get into my video. Barış Baktaş, one of the beloved actors of Turkey, married his lover Yağmur Yüksel after a long-term relationship, with a magnificent wedding that he dreamed of. The wedding became an unforgettable day with the participation of close friends, families and famous artists. Barış Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel showed their love and devotion to each other for many years. Wanting to immortalize this happy union, the couple get married. Considering many special details for their wedding, Baktaş and Yüksel organized a ceremony that brought romance and elegance together. Their wedding took place in one of the most popular venues in Istanbul. The couple had planned their wedding for nearly a year and paid attention to every detail. The theme of the wedding was to reflect the atmosphere of a warm summer night and at the same time emphasize romance. For this reason, it was seen that white colors and flowers were used predominantly in the decoration of the place. Many famous names attended the wedding ceremony, and this happy day of the couple was met with great interest with the photos and videos shared on social media. Famous actors, artists and leading names of the television world shared the happiness of Barış Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.